Hello, my name is Claire Northall, and I'd like to welcome you to my classroom. I will be the 8th grade humanities teacher at King Middle School in Berkeley, and I'll be leading the English portion of the class, while my co-teacher Paula Carpenter will be leading the early American history portion of the class. Today I'd like to introduce to you a little bit about myself, about the class, and how you can be successful in this class this upcoming semester. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have a passion for travel and outdoor experiences. I really like mountain biking. I like hiking, and one of my favorite experiences this past summer was that I got to visit Alaska. It was so amazing. I've also gotten to do a lot of traveling. I used to live in Japan and South Korea. I was an English teacher there, and I really love sushi. Sushi is my favorite food. So if you have any interest in outdoors or travel, I would be happy to talk to you. If you're interested in studying abroad, maybe learning another language, I am an excellent person to come talk to. So let me tell you a little bit about this class this coming semester. We will be using, primary novel we'll be using is called The Circuit. This is the book that we will be using for the beginning of the spring. We're going to be using an inquiry-based approach to literature. What that means is that you will be reading this book and you will be thinking about what does it mean. You know, us, the teachers, we're not going to tell you the meaning of the book. You're going to have to do a little bit of critical thinking and decide for yourself about what is the author's message. We are also going to help you with real-world writing applications. So you're not just going to have to only write a boring 5-paragraph essay. We're going to try and give you some writing assignments that you feel like you can use in lots of other places in your life. We'll also be continuing to do your independent reading. So make sure you bring your independent reading book. I got my favorite. And we will be working on our reading response journals. We're also going to be doing our reflective journals. So you'll have some opportunity to do a little bit of personal narrative writing as well. Some of my expectations of this class for you to be successful, first of all, is respect. To respect me, the teacher, and your classmates. It is also, I'd like for you to try your best, but of course, it's okay to make mistakes, you know. Writing isn't about perfectionism. It's about trying your best. And if you need to try again, that's okay. I like it when students have an opportunity, they really want to try, you know, they maybe got a 3 on the quiz and they want to go for the 4. That's totally fine. You'll have opportunities to make it up. So also ready to become, it's very important to come to class ready to learn, which means, you know, you have your books out, you're on task, you're paying attention, and that's going to help this class become a success. Secondly, finally, you want to have everyone support a positive learning environment, which means that that supports number 1, so that you're being respectful to your fellow classmates and creating a classroom environment and community where we all can feel comfortable and safe. A couple of rules. So first of all, turn off the cell phones and keep them away. I don't understand sometimes, of course, there's an emergency and, you know, on occasion, I may ask you to use cell phones in class, but in general, we want to keep them away to limit our distractions. Secondly, no food or drink except water in the classroom, prevent an invasion of ants. Third, for me, I found this is really important, is to use polite language. I find it offensive. I find profanity offensive, and it's also disrespectful to me, your classmates, and to yourself. So I prefer for people to use polite language and try and set a tone of respect. I am incredibly happy to have you in my class. And, you know, below is my email. If you want to reach out to me, that is the best way to get a hold of me. I hope to speak with parents about your child at upcoming conferences. Thank you so much, and students, I look forward to having you in my class.